This is how I draw a head face. In this video, I will show you the steps to reference and learn from. Have you ever drawn a face that didn't turn out as you imagined? After a long time of practice, I've noticed some common mistakes we make when drawing face head: flat angles, incorrect proportions, forgetting the head axis, ignoring perspective, focusing too much on details, and missing the overall composition. If you've been like me, I'm here to help you. When you search for information or references about face head on the internet, you'll find many methods to apply, such as 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗀, paper, triangle, box, Rayleigh, and so many methods. But in this video, I will show you a super easy combined method using 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗀 and paper. We will start with a logo for the school. Then overlay the paper and divide it to place the facial feature. And we build the 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗀 framework to define the head form. By now, you will see a simplified school by the end. Faces are very diverse, but we can simplify them with a common formula. The face can be divided into 3 roughly equal parts, from top of the forehead to the eyebrow, from the eyebrows to the bottom of the nose, from the nose to the chin. The distance between the eyes is approximately 1 eye width. Ears straight from the eyes to the bottom of the nose, and the nose width equal the distance between the eyes. We already made a detailed video on how to draw eyes. You can click the thumbnail in the corner of the screen to check it out. This is just a general formula to help you become familiar with drawing faces in a reasonable and easy way. To draw characters with the diverse faces, we need to adjust slightly based on the facial features in our own style. This will be explained in a later part of the video. And to draw effectively, we must always remember the rule of going from general to specific, from simple to complex, to ensure the overall harmony. Now, here is the 30-second ad break, because I need to make a living. Our studio currently offers a beginner sketching course that prioritizes this mindset. We will be introducing a new game-like learning method, Bngartassistant. Students will create accounts to track their starts and skills, which will change daily based on actual data. Many other exciting features will be introduced in a detailed video. We're offering a roadmap for beginner development, mentor guidance, a pointing system similar to a game, monthly student ranking updates with rewards from the top 3, tons of learning resources, connection and support from everyone in the community. If you are interested in this system, feel free to comment below. Once you have mastered the basic, we've learned how to draw face angles. First, identify the face angle using references like photos or 3D models. Apply the 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗀 method and paper method as discussed in the section 2. Then simplify the head into basic shapes without focusing on details like ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. Since the skull is basically made from a sphere, we determine the angle of it. Note that the sides of the head are flat. Then divide the paper wrap around the sphere horizontally into 3 parts. Next, add the chin and draw. A common mistake at this stage is making the chin too long compared to the sphere. All that's left to do is add facial details like eyes, nose, and mouth to complete the drawing. Make sure to measure the proportions of 3 parts accurately. Keep in mind that the draw shape changes with different angles. To make your character stand out, pay attention to these characteristics. Children have round faces, big eyes, small noses and mouths, and shorter facial proportion compared to others. As we age, faces become more angular, noses and mouth lengthen, and eyes appear smaller. At a certain age, wrinkles appear and cheekbones become more pronounced. Males have angular faces, strong jawbones, larger noses, thicker eyebrows, and less facial fat. Females have softer faces, thinner eyebrows, smaller jaws and chins, smaller noses, fuller lips, and rounder faces. Personality. This is often shown through the shape of the face. Faces with many round shapes feel friendly, Square shapes give a sense of stability and maturity. Triangular shapes feel sharp and edgy. The distance between facial features also affects the viewer's impression. Expression is also an important factor in defining the character, and you can check out how to draw eyes and expression in our eye drawing video I mentioned earlier. The link will be in the description. So, have you caught up to all that above? If not, rewind the video. Just kidding. Here's a quick summary. First, to draw the skull. Then overlay the paper to divide proportions and mark the placement of the eyes, nose, and mouth. Don't forget to consider gender, age, and personality for character flavor. If you need inspiration, check out Pinterest to fill your image library. And remember, practice is a key to progress. If you are still unsure whether you have drawn correctly, don't hesitate to send your drawings to us on Discord. Our group was created to share drawings, tips, and of course to make friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our next tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.